If you've been seeing ads or hype around WeFi and wondering whether this platform is the next big thing in blockchain or just another trap, you're not alone because the promises are huge, but the red flags are just as glaring. WeFi markets itself as a blockchain-powered, compliance-driven payment solution that lets users earn rewards through WFI nodes, presenting itself as a revolutionary way to merge payments, compliance, and passive income in one ecosystem. On the surface, it sounds exciting. After all, who wouldn't want to be part of a futuristic platform claiming financial freedom and high rewards? But when you dig deeper into the actual structure, things don't add up. The company's background is murky, with shell entities tied to it and no verifiable headquarters that builds confidence. Their leadership team has questionable credibility, including links to a fugitive accused of running off with $50 million, which immediately raises concerns about trust. Instead of offering real services or tangible products, WeFi mainly revolves around selling ITO nodes, which look more like digital placeholders than genuine utilities. Even more alarming are the promised returns, up to 350%, that mirror classic Ponzi-style setups where early investors are paid from new deposits rather than sustainable revenue. Add to that the fact that WeFi operates in a largely unregulated environment outside Hong Kong, making it even riskier for everyday investors who might fall for the glossy marketing. So, while WeFi positions itself as a cutting-edge blockchain project, the lack of transparency, the exaggerated earning claims, and the shaky leadership background make it something you need to approach with extreme caution. It's not about labeling it outright legit or outright scam, but about recognizing that the risks here are far higher than the rewards, and anyone considering it should think twice before putting in their money.